Hi, it's Sasha with WTI.
Getting ready in the morning is a breeze with this mirror. It is so nice because I have the opportunity to prep myself with this mirror when I'm able to move it in front of me, get it as close as I need. I also love that I can direct where the light hits it. This really helps me get a clear view of what I'm doing. It is so nice because the quality is top notch. I have seen other mirrors, and this one I use every day. I pull it away from the wall, I move it up and down. I switch it from the magnified view to the normal view all the time, and it has been very helpful. I can get up close if I'm doing my eye makeup, and I don't have to worry about smudging. It's super easy to just be able to wipe it off with a cloth also and wipe it down. When I'm finished, I'm able to fold it up and push it up against the wall where it won't take up a lot of space on my counter and it won't be in the way. I love having this mirror. It's been an essential product for my bathroom.
And that's my point of view.